Now, this is our dirty kitchen. This is where we cook our meals. I'm going to grill this fishes we just bought from the market.
Malunggay pandesal.
Malunggay pandesal.
So guys,
Malunggay
this is the fish that we're going to grill. Hey, come on. This is the charcoal. It's so hot here. Ini maghaling ka, din na tayo sugbaon. In the fire, so sobrang init. Ano? Na!
Isa ra ka buklip.
Ano, tabalihado to.
Ani?
Balato ha? Mahal magkahuyo.